Three birds that look like they're from another planet. First, the Dracula parrot. Native to New Guinea, this is one of the few parrots that doesn't eat seeds or nuts. This discipline in the diet is rare among parrots. Next, the Philippine eagle, the national bird of the Philippines, is one of the largest and most powerful eagles in the world, growing up to 3.3 feet in length with a wingspan of up to 7 feet. Finally, the shoebill, with its massive shoe-shaped bill and prehistoric look. Found in the swamps of East Africa, its stern expression and slow, deliberate movements add to its alien-like presence.